What's up guys, Justin at Sticker Shuttle. I want to show you guys how to laminate stickers at home. If you own a small shop or you're thinking about upgrading to a manual roll laminator like this is how you do it. This is a Vivor, it's off of Amazon. It was like 130 bucks. This is a 36-inch laminator. So as you can see, I've got an entire roll of vinyl. I cut a piece of laminate out that is fit to this piece of vinyl. Right on top, laminate side up. I like to leave about a ½ inch gap between the laminate and the vinyl, leaving a little bit of overhang here. That way I'm not trying to mess with it, trying to get it perfect for 30, 45 seconds. I just found it saves a bit more time. Now, before I feed the laminate and the vinyl on top of each other through this, I want to loosen this up. Otherwise, I start kind of getting ripples. It's just because you're kind of forcing it into the pressure that it's not meant for. So if I just let go, it's going to roll. So I want to tighten it enough to where it doesn't move. So not too tight, just enough to where, like, if I kind of jiggle it, it's going to stay still. So now that I have this laminate on top of this sticker sheet, I'm going to peel back. You don't have to be gentle with this part because this isn't going to be part of the sticker. You just take this here. I slide my finger and slide it all the way this way, but some people don't like that sound. So I'm just gonna go nice and slow instead of all one swipe. So the next thing that you wanna do is, while you have this laminate up, you're kind of holding it, or you can peel it back enough to where it just sits. But I like to just hold it a little bit. It's not gonna go anywhere. Push this down flat, and then from the middle out, you're gonna tuck it in and push under, just like that. You'll have a little bit of a hump to go over. Make sure that none of it's like sticking sideways or some of it's all crunched up. Make sure it's nice and smooth. You're gonna push forward, you'll feel it give some resistance. You can let go of the laminate and then just roll it over that one part right there. Now, because that part isn't going to be on the sticker, it doesn't matter if something got into the bottom of it. Next, we're going to take this piece of laminate only, not the sticker, and push it over. Okay, so that way you have the laminate on one side and you have the sticker paper on the other side. I'm actually going to tighten this up a little bit. Sometimes these can get a little loose during the process. I'm going to take this top layer that was created underneath here, and I'm going to peel it back all the way until it's completely off. So now you can see we have the laminate and then we have the sticker, and it is pretty much ready to be rolled onto. This should be a perfect roll. I see no issues. So I'm going to go ahead and spin this wheel over here. And you want to go nice and slow. You don't want to go too fast, but you don't want to go too slow. You'll find a happy medium, but if you go too fast, you start to get bubbles. If you go too slow, you start to get creases. So I like to find a good middle ground. Now, like I told you, I leave a little bit of an overhang just because this part, to me, is super simple. And that's how you laminate stickers. So now I have an entire sheet. This is 88 stickers laminated after being print. Normally, it's a lot quicker when I'm not going through a tutorial and I'm not teaching you. It usually takes about 15 to 20 seconds per sheet. So it's not usually this long. But next up, I'm just going to feed it through this plotter and get them cut up.